The new 2020 Nissan Titan adds style strength to the Nashville skyline. The new 2020 Nissan Titan was successfully craned into Nissan Stadium this afternoon, replacing the 2016 Titan XD that previously inhibited Nashville's most coveted tailgate spot. In total, 3 new 2020 Titan pickup trucks were added throughout Nissan Stadium, 2 on the south end and 1 at Titan Gate 4. The new 2020 Titan atop Gate 4 joins the Nissan Armada, Rogue, Pathfinder, Murano, Altima, and Sentra displayed at the specific gates throughout the stadium. The addition of the new 2020 Titan pickup trucks comes just in time for this Sunday's Los Angeles Chargers versus Tennessee Titans game at Nissan Stadium, where 500 local first responders will be honored as part of Nissan's Calling All Titans initiative. Nissan Stadium, which was named as such in June 2015, hosts all Tennessee Titans home football games, Tennessee State University football games, the Music City Bowl, and a variety of concerts and numerous other events, including the annual CMA Music Festival. The main Nissan Stadium signs, one facing eastward and another westward into downtown Nashville, are among the largest signs in the world and are a consistent reminder of Nissan's commitment to Nashville and the state of Tennessee.